choice, what I need to be free.
Shit. Filming for you guys and bam. Wave over the bow of the boat. What? And that is why we have patrons that help us to keep up, because this camera will definitely not make it. Smashed in the water, it's just dripping. It's probably gonna cut out now.
What's the difference between a jib and a genoa? Size?
English language. Yeah, same thing.
People love to correct me all the time. They're like, it's not a jib, it's a genoa. I'm like, okay.
When I call it a head sail.
What they do on like the racing boats, for example, they go 1 to 7. They go jib 1, jib 2, jib 3. And it's just a smaller one. So jib 1 is the biggest, jib 7 is the smallest.
Okay.
And then they go to a jib top where they cut the foot off. Like 45 degrees from the fluid up to the leech. So they just lessen the cloth. Just like you get the spinnakers and the jericas, jerica 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's a smaller cut of cloth with a similar shape.
Okay.
I'm biding my time, I hope that it ain't so. Facing the truth, the eye of the needle. And even if we're not solving this riddle, there's no taking back all the deeds that we've done. There's a lot that we did wrong, looking back on all of the shit we've done. I cannot believe that it's been so long, that we're in the eye of the needle. When you don't like or love me, I breathe it all out and I breathe in. When there is no way back in, and we are the eye of the needle. I breathe it all out and I breathe in. We are the eye of the needle.
Okay, change the camera. Camera number 2. Camera number 1, week 3. is lying and it's dripping. Sony AX50. Oh!
It's wet. It's windy. Picked up quick.
When you don't like or love me, I breathe it all out, then I breathe in. When there is no way back in, and we are the eye of the needle. I breathe it all out, then I breathe in. We are the eye of the needle.
Don't want to lose camera number 2.
No.
Lots of spray coming over the bow.
Camera 2.
Thanks for coming along in South Africa, Cape Town. Woo! It's pretty wet on deck.
It's pretty moist.
Pretty moist on deck, and we lost camera 1. But we still have Aubrey.
Breathe it out, then breathe in. When we're in the eye of the needle, so breathe it all out, then breathe in. 'Cause we're in the eye of the needle. When you don't like or love me, then I'll face the eye of the needle. I breathe it all out, then I breathe in. We're the eye of the needle. We are the eye of the needle.
3, 2, 1, tuck. Release my sheet on the port side.
Oh shit, sorry. There's only a bit of fucking hanky out there. All right.
Well, they've done an excellent job of stowing everything.
Shit, who's the stewardess here?
Come up. Bang.
Oh.
Fuck out.
Oh, we're replacing
Another
many
4
guys.
grand.
Tic-tac-toe, yeah.
There's only one shell to watch. Oh my god.
Oh, that guy just came down. There's a lot of windsurfers and kite surfers out here.
Okay, people, who has the right of way? The kite surfer or the sailor?
Depends on what tack they're on.
Okay, captain says depends on what tack they're on.
Just not so happy now.
Or how tacky they are.
Yeah, no, well, like right now we're on a port tack. The breeze is coming over the port side of the boat. You know, so if they're on a starboard tack, they have right of way. It's a sailing craft.
Well, there you have it, people. And my Fowlie is not so foul-proof anymore. It smells foul, but it doesn't reflect, reject, repel the water.
The
Wardrobe change. No, I'm wet and cold and woo! The wind is howling at 46 knots up top. The boys are holding on to the tiller for dear life. They're trying not to run over the kite surfers and they're doing a poor job. We've taken out Joey and Amanda out there, but they're wearing life preservers, so I think everything's gonna be fine. Please don't tell the authorities. We're headed straight back to the
V&A.
V&A.
To go and see
To go to the pub with this Australian bloke.
30 knots!
30 knots! Wow. I know that I look like I'm down here doing nothing, and right now I am, but I've been at the helm.
New girlfriend.
Yes, I'm here with my new boyfriend.
Cut.
Cut. For the record, I am sailing with 1 Australian and 2 Afrikaans guys, and I cannot tell the difference in their accent. Please don't kill me. I cannot tell who comes from land down under. Minchunder. Is that chunder like upchuck? What is it, chunder? Wow. Yeah, well, I've made peace with dying, so all of this is fine. It's my captain's hat and some foreshadowing because I'm gonna be the captain again soon, my people. Barking orders, drinking champagne, acting erratic. The definition of captain, right? No? Not that true? I feel like I could ride in a sailboat in the head and not get sick. Maybe in the front hatch. Anywhere. Yeah. I want to wear it like an OG. Damn, homie. Well, here's the carnage from the sail.
Permission to proceed inbound to the waterfront marina from the starboard breakwater, over.
Roger, carry on, over.
Thank you, port control. Have a good watch. Standing by 1-4. Out.
Carry on, cheerio, matey. No?
No, not cool, bro. Not cool.
They're looking for the hot chicks. We're going to the chicken coop.
Tell me what you wanna do, yeah, 'cause I'd do anything.
back in the V&A, it was a really rough sail. We had up to 30 knots of wind, tacked into the wind, close hold, 35-40 degrees. Felt a little bit sick, but I'm fine now. We're in the V&A. And these guys have taught us so much. Wow, they really know how to sail. It's been amazing. It's been a great sail in Africa. South Africa's done as well. Oh, there's a captain popping out of hatch.
Okay, guys, it was the last sail in South Africa, and it was so much fun. We got the chance to go with some really experienced sailors, and it was a blast. Now we had a really good time. I learned stuff, which was cool, and I got to wear this fancy captain's hat. Yeah, but overall, this trip in South Africa has been really amazing. I wish we could stay longer, but this isn't going to be the last time that we're here. This is a beautiful country, wonderful people, very sexy accents. Highly recommend it.
The big question is, did you fall in love with the African?
Yes, I fell in love with the African. Great white African.
It took a long time.
It did take a long time.
What?
It did take a long time.
Why?
Because I had to make sure you were sweet.
Sweet as pie.
Sweet as pie. So Little Miss is waiting safely for us to return to her, drop her back in the water, and sail her to the Caribbean, where I want to do some solo sails and really enhance my skill in a place that I feel is probably more safe than others to sail. But coming here and learning from some of the best sailors in the world has been amazing and such a cool opportunity. Getting our hands on and learning about conservation of these beautiful animals in Africa has also been a dream for me as a photographer. I've always wanted to go on safari and take pictures and feel like I was like part of the Nat Geo crew, and that really was a dream come true for me. I had these moments during this trip where I'm like, holy shit, this is really my life right now. I did it. And aside from sailing, because sailing's a new dream for me. Like I didn't grow up as a little girl going, I want to be a sailor. I just found out about it later on in my life and fell in love with it. But I've always wanted to travel, and I've always wanted to take pictures and document this world and show people the way that I see it. So this has been a really cool experience, and really ticked off a lot of things on my bucket list. And for those of you that travel, there's nothing like traveling with the local. For those of you that travel, there's nothing like traveling with the local. It's a completely different experience, and this is definitely one that I couldn't ever pass up. This has been such a dream come true for me in so many different ways. I am a little bit sad to leave South Africa, but I know we're coming back.
So what's the plan?
So we're gonna get the two boats together, we're gonna split up the guys and the girls, and we're gonna race from island to island. So I'm really excited to do this season with Magic. So Little Miss and Magic are going to meet in person, and they're gonna sail together, the blue boat and the pink boat. This is gonna be absolutely amazing.
About to leave, already packed in, come with me. I'm not really asking, we'll get away.
What's cool?
A place where we don't know.
Look at him! He's so cute! Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed this season in South Africa, the Sailing Miss Lone Star, and there's going to be so much more to come. We're really excited to share it with you.
Take my hand, we'll make it somehow. We can't miss out. I'm done living life with the lights out. Die with my own doubts. Be free with me. Let's go, let's be free with me. Be free.
about becoming one of our Patreon fans.